Fuck! Hey, wait, oh, okay. Test on the microphone. Is it working now? Okay, it just fixed itself for some reason. Okay, it's also facing the wrong way, that's probably why. Okay, what about now? Test, test, test? Yeah, okay. I am not having a good day today, but I suppose you have to soldier on in these sorts of things. If it's something like what I'm fearing it is, which is someone in the Holostars Hololive industry making a first-person dungeon crawl and just announcing it and completely aping me like what David will do with Pole Cannon. I'm not sure if I can take it. I've had enough. Nobody plays my games. Nobody... How am I supposed to improve if I don't get feedback? Nobody's giving me feedback, that's the thing. It's just... I don't know. I mean, I have a plethora of mental illnesses. That means I can't hold down a job for more than a whole year. So yeah, indie game dev's probably the only thing, and even then I have to release like a bunch of free stuff and then get popular. But I'm always at square one. No matter what I can do, I just can't move off from it. I've released how many games now, and they've all just gone into the ether. Nobody's played them. Oh well. I think that's enough trauma dumping. So we're doing the next half of the what do you call it? The fucking work, damn it! Skill display. So yeah, this is the placeholder for when there's nothing there, but when we do have a skill, it'll just populate based on this. I know I'm going to do this later, so I might as well do it now. Put all of these as unique names. Yeah, unique name. Oh, of course. Usable by label, and then we'll rename this to found in label. Technically it should be, yeah, found in label, why not? Nexus unique, or I could have just put this as a unique name and then got from the tree from there, but more than one ways to skin a cat, I suppose. We'll call this the skill name label. Type label. Percentage skill name. Category. Description.
Trying to make a fool out of me.
Also the skill description. Actually, I'm just gonna rename this to selected skill info. Make that a unique name as well. And we'll call this no skill selected placeholder. Right. Private control. Get node of type control percentage selected skill info. No skill selected placeholder. Right. Yeah. Energy cost, cast time, and cooldown will give. If I could mod the engine properly, I probably would have done bish, 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 and have a thing there, and then check if they're all unique names, and if they are, give us the access unique name function. But I suppose that's something so minor. Right. Private or energy cost label equals get node of label percentage energy cost slash label. Cast time's probably not going to be a thing, but just in case I do implement it, it's there. Cooldown. Yeah, we'll hide it for the time being. And it's not energy cost, it's cooldown. Actually, I think I could probably redo these. Private float energy cost. Get no, we don't need a getter because that's going to be in the skill. Just a setter. For node energy cost node equals get node control of type. Technically I could put it as a canvas item, but percentage energy cost node dot visible is equal to value being greater than 0. energy cost node dot get node label percentage. No, it's not a percentage, it's just label. Text equals value F0. So that basically truncates it to a int. I'll just call this node. Cool. Cast time and cooldown as well. Then private label usable by label get node of type label. Path is percentage usable by label. I've had enough. Private label found in label get node label, same thing. Right, if value is equal to null, then no skill selected placeholder equals no true skill selected skill info visible equals false. Else do normally. We'll generate a property here because I've done this before in the skill tooltip. Right. And this all needs to be in a bracket. Plus a space. Like that. That's just... No, I don't need to do this. This is being extra, but... This. Sub SPC cat skill. We're gonna take this and then put it in skill. Put it in here. No, don't need to cast it. There we go. Which means we can get rid of this. And this. And also this. Oh yeah, the targeting as well. We'll need to work that out. It helps me test this in anger. So if there's no caster given, the potency would be instead, say, plus 30% damage instead of 7.4 to 14.2 damage or something like that. Because that's, yeah, you got to give that description because we're viewing it on a compendium screen, so we want to have it in sort of a what's the word? Context independent setting, or a something like that. I think I've implemented it for some effects, but not all of them. Okay. Energy cost equals value dot energy cost. Cast time 0 for now, and finally cooldown equals base cooldown seconds. Yeah. To do implement skill cast times. Yeah. Usable by level dot text is equal to value dot. Oh, that's what it's called. Then I know why this is an array. Shit, my laptop's getting really bloody hot. Hang on. I'm going to turn the fans up, which is kind of what I have to do because it's the summer, but, just... No. Okay, I do have a directional mic, so I don't think... It looks like it's alright coming from OBS standpoint. But that might be because of the noise gate I've got set up, and then if I am speaking, it might be shown on. I'm going to put a stream marker here. Oh, fuck off! Why can't I put a stream marker on my own fucking stream? Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck's sake. Groove. I want to put a stream marker on. This is because I want to go back further and go back to the stream later and check if the added fans are being, messing with my mic, or if they're audible on stream. Oh, fuck it. I'll just write it down like a fucking caveman. Oh, fuck's sake. Right. What's the timestamp? 24 minutes. Yeah. Right. Come back to that later. Right. Found in label text is where we haven't implemented where the skill's found yet, so I'm just gonna put it as that for now. Right, this needs to be redone, so I think I implemented it, yes, no, not here, here. get rid of this. I'm gonna cut this, delete this, and put it there. Right. I think that's all of it. Oh yeah, the targeting. I forgot. Which I forgot to put in here. Is my... Yeah, the scene switch is working. That's great. Even though it does the thing twice. Right, so it should be above the costs, I think. Like so. And then... Now you know what? I've got a better idea. Dupe this. Plonk this here. Get rid of the old label. Yes. Targets. And what I put in here? Set skill targets, this thing. I should probably move all these into skills and have them as helper methods. Modify targets to a skill.can target. Okay, so to array and what else? All right. Target area equals target area. Well, yeah, that's right. Skill targets label. We'll need to. Private label skill targets. Label. Get node.
We were riding in the cemetery. Well, it's 8 o'clock and it's still light.
I'll type label. Percent targets. And there we go. Get target disposition, and I'm probably going to have to redo all of this when it comes to actually implementing localization, but it's the nature of the beast. Right, that looks done. Except this needs to shrink to center. Yeah. Oh, there's also the prerequisites as well. Fuck. No, it's all right. Let's save that. That's fine. And then populate skill. Active skill base would be displayed skill equals skill ready initialize, which would be in here. Displayed skill equals null. Right, now I need this item display. This needs a signal. No, it doesn't. We just need to expose the button. Right, and then we're populating the skill list. It'll be skill item dot skill item dot item button dot clicked pressed. It would be populate skill. Skill. Oh. Cannot convert skill compendium. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Too many ways those monsters can get in up there.
Don't need that. Oh, bloody fingers are giving me grief. I don't know if it's RSI from God knows what. Yeah, I have an extremely small bit of soreness in my shoulder from the cricket still. I don't think it's spread to the fingers. I'm fairly sure it's something else. Just waiting for the editor to actually finish building. Oh, and the debugger's blown up. Resource file not... What? Oh, god damn it. What now? Oh. Resource file not found. Oh, for God's sakes, what's going on? Is this corrupt or what? Resource file not found. Conditioned. Is this in the compendium or is this in the... It's in here. Compendium entry load that, which is in here. Which is come from here. Right. Yeah, we're ready initialize. Compendium initialize, which is this. If the skill UIDs is null, then load the skills. Which means that this would probably be... Cannot open file GD... What? It's the same thing. Oh. Where's the skill list? Okay, so it's showing, but it's not. Yeah, that makes perfect sense, doesn't it? The skill UIDs isn't null, but we are getting the UI. Oh, right. So that. Okay, so we're getting the error here, but... Oh. There's nothing to do without this because it doesn't throw an exception. Unique IDs.has PID is not true. Okay. Returning a new string. So something like var UID equals this. No, it's not a UID, it's a path. And then if what file access dot file exists path, then do all this. Else throw new file not that is what it's called, right? Oh, oh, here we go. Yeah, there we go. Else throw new files, but then the file access is going to... Oh, fuck me dead. Else throw new system.io. File not found exception. Why can't they just be normal? That should have another thing there. File not found. Alright, and then here we can try this. Catch the file not found exception. No. System.io. File not found exception. Bool retry equals false. And then, yeah, retry equals true. Then what? If retry then what? If we try, then generate skill list. Initialize with unlocked skills. Bool is retry equals false. Bool retry equals false. If we try and not is retry. Do that, else if retry gd dot push error file generation skill list generation failed. Alright. No, no, no. Go away, VideoTube. Right. Yeah, okay. Let's try it now. So it should regenerate if the skill list is malformed, which it is. Well, we've loaded something, but we're still getting the fucking errors. Ah, piss off. Reload. Oh, we are getting some. Alright. Right. Yeah, this is going to throw an error. So, this is what I want it to look like. Hit target enemy for plus 25% damage, with it being 20% less accurate. This as well. This is a gap which we don't want. This gap as well. This is fine. 4 additional damage to the target enemy squad. Yeah. This, however, needs to be changed, which I think is just your basic damage modifier. So that needs to take a case where the caster is null. This is fine. This is fine. Why is SLC a thing? I think I meant ALC for Alchemist. Okay, fuck, player character class, where are you? User by equals classes str, usable classes abbreviated names. We go to here. This is an abstract, which is fair enough. Active skill roguelike, which is in this, and the Impam's got roguelike class names abbreviated, blah 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 blah. Here we are, SLC. Don't want that. ALC for Alchemist, not Sluckmist. Okay, that's fine. Close all but pinned. So the only other thing to do is... shit, where is it? It'd be an item display, wouldn't it? No, it wouldn't. Why'd I put the cat? It would be in skill compendium, wouldn't it? Okay. Yeah, this. Retry true and break. Because we're retrying anyway. We don't need to go through the rest of the all this rubbish. Unique IDs.has p is true return. What? Okay, we're getting these paths, so we are loading them. But for some reason, when we get the IDs, we can't then re-put them back in for some reason. Should this be a stance? I don't know. I might want to add some filtering options by here. There's no drag scroll, which is kind of odd. Okay. Yeah, see, now it's the same bloody thing. We write these skill UIDs in, but for some reason, when we get them back out, they're mismatches. Which means we have to regenerate the whole thing over again. Open this in the external program, which is Notepad. Yeah. Yeah, it should look like that. I'm just chucking a bunch of binaries in there. Yeah, just call it a bin. Get skill UIDs, which we have. And we know we have because we've printed the path here. No, I know what's wrong. It can't find it, so just put it in there. I'm being a dumb. Alright, now let's try it. This should be the last time we have to regenerate everything. Yeah, that's fine. Right, close this. This should say skill list has been updated. No? Right, if we... Oh. Print the path, which is the get skill new IDs, which is here. Which is this. Get skill new IDs, which is for the path. Generate the skill list gets put into here. But there's no overwriting file on there, which means the file doesn't exist because I just generated it? Oh, okay, okay, now let's try it. Still regenerating. Fuck. Okay, okay, so we know that this path is not malformed anymore. So why are they still... Why is this still not working? gd.print. Resource UID. Dot get ID path. Skills UIDs I. Yeah. Right, now let's try it. LOM underscore acupressor.tres. So we are getting the... skill list generation. What? Populate skill list. This skill display is not... It's null. Why is it null? Initialize, ready. Which is on here, then it would be... when this skill compendium display gets... So the skill compendium display is ready, and then it gets initialized. Then we populate the skill list, however... Compendiums All Skills has a null entry. Why does it have a null entry? Print that return equals true, and then we do generate the skill list again, initialize with again with it's the other thing, and then the skill list. Store 32. right. Store 32 of the skill UIDs, right? No, that's the length. Then we store a 64-bit here. So the get 64 is here. Oh, come on. Can I at least see what's wrong? Well, the fact that there's no... It's the same bloody thing. What's the output? Okay, bunch of those, right? Why is -1 at the end? I know why, it's because this skill TXT is still there. And because... The thing is, if I go back to Active Skill Compendium, the only check for anything other is this. Which is not exactly the best way to do it. GD dots. No. Else. If item dot ends with dot tres. That needs another bracket. Okay, that. GD dot push warning. Non rare. Non-resource file. Item detected. Right. Good news is that now what's in there is a binary file, so and that's not included in the project by default. And we are selecting, that thing does say select a skill, so we are compiling, well, we're not including any errors. Encountering any errors, that's what I meant to say. We're still getting this bloody error. Okay, we're printing the IDs, that's good, but we're still encountering a -1? What? I thought I deleted this. No, because if I put this in here, there's nothing going in there, but for some reason the skills are changing. And I have no bloody clue why. Why are these all positive? Hang on. I get this in and then I... Ah! No, that should be alright. I've got window capture on. Yeah, that's alright. Stick this list of UIDs into Notepad. Right. If I remove the unchecked from here, what goes on now? Don't care about that. Wait, this... No, this is a fixed damage. So... Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so we only have the one error now. Four five one nine eight, 45198, blah 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 blah. Yeah, 72. Yeah. These IDs are all fine. So it's not that, it's just an terminated string now. Right. Yeah, that's fine. Right, I think that's fixed it. I think. Oh, the output's buggered now. Damn it. Right, close this. Right. Right. Hang on. Shit, I forgot where I was. Ah, yes. So, prerequisites, of course. So I think they're going to be between description and targets. So I duplicate description and then I rename this to skill prerequisites. Requires melee range. Requires slash weapon. And then we'll make this font color ever so slightly faded. The problem is, though, I don't like this font because, all right, these two are the same font. I know they're both Garrett, which you'd think looks, they look completely different. And I just don't know. I really think that there's a better font out there. But I've got a good one. Yeah, I don't know. Right, don't need this Notepad++ instance. Right. Right, so this hopefully will be the last of them. Private label skill prerequisites label. And this will be get node of type label. Skill prerequisites. I'm sad. Oh, let's see. I completely forgot where I was supposed to be. Skill prerequisites label dot text equals get skill set skill prerequisites. Get skill prerequisite string. NG, not GN. Generate this. Right. I probably should have not closed skill tooltip so early. Here we go. I definitely need to extract all these into skill string helpers. Yeah, actually, let's do that. skill string helpers. Public, static. String get skill name. No, do it for the ones that actually need. So this skill compendium item display. No, not the item display. This. Static string set skill targets like that. And then just return text. Let's go based onto here. Then it's just a case of return get skill targets on these. Volume, modify targets to array. Just change value to skill. Right, and then we can instead put this as skill targets label.text is equal to skill string helpers dot get skill targets for value. Oof, easy as. Right. And then we take, oh, no, this. Public static string get usable classes string. But hang on, translation needs to be done from a node, right? TR function. Oh, this is. Okay, Godot object.tr. So this needs to be a Godot object. Wait. It's a pain in the ass, but we do have a Godot object to use, so we can just do that. Right. Yeah, that'd be fine. Because I think everything would be separated by commas, wouldn't it? Skill string helpers dot get skill targets value. Not get skill targets, it would be get usable classes string. And I'm going to rename this to get skill targets string. And I'm going to do the same here. Radio. Okay. So this is wrong. Instead, we're just gonna do this. And then in skill tooltip, we're going to boop. Public sector string get skill, yeah. That's fine. Yeah, we'll probably have them separated by new lines for now. We do need to take out the last do we? Or we could just not add it in the first place. That might also help. Okay, skill tooltip, set prerequisites text. Yep, so that goes into here. This will be active skill.get prerequisite results and active skill.help text. Right. Should we do the help text as well? I mean, okay, I suppose. Entity caster equals null. If caster equals null, then do that. Else, no, wait. No, do it as is. This file would be a call this results. Put this in here, and then what's this struct look like? Satisfied prerequisite text. Okay. No. Then, oh wait, I've done it there in the, oh. Yeah, it would help if I actually looked at the damn code that I wrote before calling it. Although actually, that's probably, no, that's probably on me actually. What we can do is something like this. Have it just blank and then just return get prerequisite results null. Don't need this because I don't need to do that. We also don't need this as well. For example, blah 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 blah. Right. Bool include help text equals true, and then if we're including the help text, then do that. Boop. Then finally compile the regex for it would be backslash n $1. Because we are using the new line thing, right? Or do we have to escape it like that? So it'll be \n$. There is a way to... Hang on. And does regex have its own... Does it have its own expression for a new line? No, piss off. But yeah, we'll open that. New line conventions, blah 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 blah. Carriage returns this override the default to blah 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 blah. Any of the new line sequence, 6 different conventions, blah 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 blah. It's possible to separate use the new line convention is that is a block. The behavior of block session. Start of string or end of string or line in multi-line mode. Okay, we'll try this. \n requires a line \r? No. What? It's 2 matches, right? So they 7 matches. And $1 there, that should be 1 match, which is this, but it's not being highlighted. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so it's \n$, right? Then re.sub prerequisites text. Place it with nothing. Yeah, we only need the first one. Then just put the return here. Right. This project does run in it doesn't run in multi-line mode, does it? Doesn't say if it's in multi-line mode or what. I'm just going to assume that it isn't. And then we'll probably know soon enough. Alright, let's get... Right. That means we can get rid of this. Okay. Skill targets dot text equals right, I think that'll do. Prerequisites, target disposition. We're not using tags anymore. Yeah. Right, let's have a look. Look, see at what's going on now. Thing is, I haven't programmed prerequisites for a lot of the skills, so it's only going to be a few of them. I think Lacerate has it. But of course, Lacerate hasn't been a... Oh, yeah, okay, that's alright. Might want to make it a bit smaller. Yeah. So it'd be the weapon damage modifier. If the caster's null, then we just say plus whatever percent. Yeah. Right. Skill prereqs. There's font size to 26. That's fine. We'll just have this like that. Now keep the separation as is. I think it defaults to 4.
I tried to remember, but when everything is coming back to me, I feel as if my memory is paralyzed.
Now let's see. What is the last
Right.
thing you can remember?
I don't know.
Okay, that's all I think. Yeah, we'll leave that as is. Initialization time is 365 milliseconds. That's perfectly good. Especially because we only do it once. So it might need to make a sort of an animation of, say, a book opening or something like that. Maybe have a skill, maybe have a search functionality as well. Alright. Something like this. Alignment, max length, editable, blah 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 blah. There's got to be an icon. left icon. There's a right icon, but not a left one. I do have a magnifying glass icon, don't I? Apparently I don't. Right. I want this to be on the left, though. Wait, let me try something. Oh my fucking god, it works. I don't really know how to feel about this. Yeah, well. It works, it works. Definitely think there needs to be a bit of separation between the header and like this. 12? Yeah, I think we can get away with that. Search bar. All one word. Right. Put that back up there so I know. Alright. So we don't need these. Alright, don't need that either. Public void search skills. Yeah, by the way, I know I'm being a, what is it? Yeah, someone who keeps pushing out the whole, getting a playable version out, but yeah, it's the weekend. Just feel like doing something different. Might actually just, play a bit of Final Fantasy afterwards. But still got a ways to go yet. I suppose. Yeah, we'll do the search skills and then I'll switch over to FF14 because one, I need to feed the cat, and two, I need to get those daily craftings up and in. I'm like, what, 88 blacksmith, 89 armor, and the rest are 90, which is good.
All through the years, you'll remember that a man went to the gallows because she was too selfish to wait 2 hours.
Right. If search string is wait. There is a signal text changed. Yeah. Could it be text changed or text submitted? Oh well, they both give off a string anyway. So if search string is dot length is great. No, if it's less than minimum search length. Private const int minimum search length equals 3 or 2? 2. No, I'll have 3. That string equals boop, boop. Okay, and we've got the search string sorted out. So if not string dot is null or white space search string. Actually, no, we'll do the positive case first. Bar items equals no, it'll be skill item container. There we go. Dot get children. Dot select x skill compendium item display. Right. Then for each var item in items. Actually, what I'm going to do is search active equals false. No. No, because then I'll be going through the entire array whenever I put something in. So something like private bool search active. And not search active. Then for each var item in items, item dot visible equals true. Oop, no, we want here. And then finally, search active equals false. Else, now this is where reach bar item in items. Item dot visible equals skill string helpers dot is search match search string. Right. Then we go to our active skill base, and then public static bool is search match item dot displayed skill displayed search string. Active skill base skill string search string. Right, return skill name. No, dot sorry. Skill dot skill name dot contains search string. Ignore case. Rule ignore case equals true. Ignore var comparison equals ignore case string comparison dot current culture ignore case or string comparison dot current culture. Okay, then comparison or skill dot skill category string. No. Just actually, I'm going to be copy pasting this a bit, so we'll put this on the clipboard. Or no, skill dot skill subcategory, oop, or skill dot skill description. Don't think we want to search for targets or usable classes. No, we do want to search for classes, so or skill dot modifier no. Can you usable classes abbreviated names dot contains search string. High quality comparer. Can we do that? No. Dot to upper. Invariant. Just in case someone, I don't know, has their operating system set to Turkish, which doesn't have a capital I. I think that's how it works. Yeah. Case involves the invariant culture, yeah. I know there's one country in the world that doesn't have a capital I, and if you book to upper when your operating system locale set to that, it just returns a lowercase I.
The heat ray they emit from their mouths. It's more powerful than anything yet known to man.
Say, don't you think it's strange?
Right. Yeah, that should work. Should I put this on the same line or... Nah, it's readable either way, I suppose. Okay. That's all that on there. And dot visible equals skills. Oh, right. And equals item. No, it's not item. Yes, it is. Item dot skill unlocked. And that. Right. Let's then hook up this text change to skills compendium. I need to build it because reasons. We could just enter the text, the method name in here, and it'll work. But it helps if you build and then go into here and then hook up the signals from there. Normally I'd do it through code, but well, I could do it through code, I suppose. Nah, because then I'd have to, yeah, hook it up and then, well, we can do it in the editor. Get text, skills compendium, pick a skill, this, there you go. Right, let's try using this in anger. Wait for it to load. Still wait for it to load. Oh, it's in the bloody background again. Right. Let's search for... Yep. And then... Oh, I only have the one gadget. Okay, STRI. Because it has the word strikes in it. Power attack, riposting blade, triple shots, which is, you know, strikes. Strike against made against you. That's great. I put SGT in there. That gives all the sergeant skills. If I put PLD, yeah. SOR, yes. SPB, Brawler, same thing. Okay. I'll probably move Brawler away from the actual monk class, which, you know, melee with a bit of magic, because Spellblade has that niche. So Brawler would just be sort of like half shinobi, half berserker. Yeah. Alright.
We have to be careful.
Right, next bit is the weapon damage modifier, I believe. Or what I could do is... No, wait, what am I doing? Weapon damage modifier, here we go. Get damage string, entity caster. If caster is not null, else return that. If you get damage string, so that if caster is not return caster equals math blocks, and then... Oh. So why would it return null? So why would it return a blank string? So it's this retaliate modifier for range damage. Return retaliation modifier dot get range string on the caster. Okay. Which is a weapon damage modifier, so we're getting the range 0 damage, so it's the weapon damage modifier 1.05. If it's 1, then nothing's been given, and then nothing. If I change this to 0.5, it should be, say, like something like plus 5% damage, I'm guessing.
You just gotta realize that everybody's gonna be on your tail from 5 o'clock until the day you die.
Oh. Okay, so if the damage is... Okay, so this, okay, I'm gonna get myself another something. Dr. Pepper, maybe? Yeah, that might be a shout. So yeah, we've done the search functionality in. I think that is a logical place to make the cut, but well, make the cut. Is this a bloody series? Bugger off. No, because the fireballs. No, the fireball does work. However, I am trying to sort of make him as a sort of a weapon damage modifier, but use the fire weapon. So this would be something like require weapon damage type prerequisite fire. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to go through one last time and check for any what's the word? Missing phantom, yeah, missing numbers or whatever. So yeah, this is fine. This is fine. This is also fine. 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 This obviously we need to put that in, but plus 25% damage, retaliate plus 5% damage. Deal yes, of course. Deal damage to target enemy and it deals okay. Right. I think the last thing would be remove debuffs. This. Oh. Wait, so what's in... Remove debuffs. Scaling potency, this will be the 3. So conditions range 0. This is a range. String. Oh. 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 Right. So we're getting a thing, an exception here. Remove, I'm out to remove, calculate to int caster, of course. Right. Int amount to remove equals caster being null. And if it is, then it will be amount to remove dot base. No. Potency calculator amount to remove dot Oh, I'm being a dumbass. Just put AMT, yeah. Why does it still think it's a no, of course, I'm being a double dumbass. Base potency, there we go. Base potency, which is a float, but we can just cast this to an int, no problem. Okay, and then we just put this all in here. Right. And I'm just going to be extremely, what's the word? Faffing about over shit that don't matter. Rounds equals 1. Hex. TR. Hexes. I'm just gonna... Yeah. Normally you do these get text with hex context plural, but I'd rather go the whole technical debts route, if you don't mind. Yeah, the thing about get text is that you have to set everything up beforehand and then generate based on that. There's no way to, do stuff on the fly. So there's not really much of a way to, test it. There we go.
Vermin prowls around the streets all hours of the night, just like an animal. Maybe he's the man. Now don't start any gossip with that, Kringle. Heaven only knows where it might end.
So you can do nested dollar strings. That's good to know. Right. Try this again. So this should say target ally is cured of up to 3 conditions. There you go. Easy as pie. Right, so that's pretty much everything that I want to do for now. Oh, of course, the weapon damage modifier. For some reason, it's not returning anything if the... Yeah. if I just put plus 0% there. Yeah. Right. Initial time 436 milliseconds. That's a bit more. Ah well. Probably in release build it should help it out a bit. Yeah, so it's gonna be a short stream for today because, you know, Sunday. I'm probably going to probably have dinner and then hop back onto Final Fantasy, see if I can finally get all of my crafters up to 90, because two of them, well, one's at 88, one's at 89, the rest are at 90, and I'll yeah, hopefully see you in about from half an hour to an hour, maybe. Anyways, see you soon.